Hey everybody, this is Esko with Lenovo Data Center back in Orlando, Florida at the Gartner Symposium, booth 431 here at the Lenovo booth. Come say hi. I'm standing with Joel Artz. Joel, what do you do for us here at Lenovo?
I'm the exec director responsible for all of our products and solutions that we provide customers in North America for our data center group.
Awesome. And now, Joel, we've been going to these conferences for a long time. We've done a few of these over time. And when we were talking earlier, you kind of said, there's always a buzz, there's always things that we're trying to, per the conference, take advantage of, but you've also noticed that in the years that we've been doing this, there's some kind of consistency in what's really going on in IT. Tell me about that.
Yeah, it's sort of the IT dilemma, right? Which is, IT personnel are always trying to figure out how to help the organization get closer to their customers, to get their partners and business suppliers more integrated into their operation,
right?
And to provide value and extract value from their employees via productivity. But
it's ongoing.
Yeah.
You just insert buzzword here, right?
Yeah, that's the 30-year journey that I've been on in this industry is solving those kinds of business problems.
Right.
The technologies that underlie how we go do that have changed remarkably, right? And so we started in a world where mission critical meant a mainframe, or a giant Unix box, right?
Big metal.
Yeah, all proprietary. And then we went to a model where x86 systems were the way to go convey that value.
One app, one box.
But we had to get mature there and build processes just like we had in the mainframe world around that Intel infrastructure, to provide that level of
sounds familiar all over again.
Reliability and availability for the organization. And then, the technology changed again, and we could do multiple, applications on a one physical system. We virtualized. Right. And so we went through that transformation.
I call that carpooling of servers. Sorry, that's my term.
Right.
And then so we went from virtualization to cloud.
And then we went to cloud. Yeah.
Cloud.
Yeah.
And now we're trying to figure out how to automate, how to orchestrate, how to take advantage of cloud and on-premise and all that kind of good stuff, capital versus operational. How does Lenovo help its customers kind of manage the way through all those decisions?
Yeah, so I think you just threw out a whole bunch of sort of technological buzzwords,
right?
And that's what our customers are trying to figure out, right?
Yeah.
So all this sort of technology stuff, and my advice and what our team spends a lot of time on is sort of backing up to understand what are the business objectives, right? When we talk about going to the cloud, what does that mean for your organization?
Yeah.
Right? Because your definition and the benefits that you want to derive from moving to cloud may be very different from even a peer at another company.
Right, exactly.
They may have a different set of expectations and goals.
And the people to manage all that stuff too.
So, we spend a lot of time trying to capture what are those objectives, how are we going to be measured as IT professionals.
Right.
At the end of the year, the CEOs can say, IT did a great job. Let's understand what those objectives are, let's understand what the business needs are, and then the technology will sort itself out. And I think one of the things that's unique about Lenovo is for each area, we have a sort of a broad range of solutions that you can choose from. We don't have a lot of solutions that sort of all tee back to one product, right? We really have this opportunity to be consultative to our customers, and I think that's one of the unique value points that we get. Many vendors, when you deal with them, they have the answer already found.
It's already here.
Right?
I got it.
Because there's one.
Right.
It's public cloud, or it's a specific private cloud product.
Right.
Lenovo has a range of solutions and a range of pathways for customers to extract value, get efficiency. And so that's where I think we bring the most value, is helping our customers understand what those requirements are, and then work through and find the right answer for them specifically in their business.
Gotcha.
And the last piece, I
go ahead.
earlier, when you fire up Google Maps.
Oh, I love this one. Go ahead.
Right?
Yeah.
You don't tell Google Maps every street and turn you want to take. You just say, I want to get to this destination. And so if there's one piece of advice I'd have, really spend time on understanding what the destination is.
Right.
Like where do we want to end up, and what does that look like for my organization? And if you know that really well,
Right.
the solution stuff will figure itself out.
Exactly.
But if you start with the solution, which happens a lot,
Yeah.
because companies, all these companies here, have lots of tech to go sell you. You may end up with a solution, but it's really not the solution for the problem that you were trying to solve.
Gotcha. So come by the booth. Joel's going to be here for the rest of the week. We're actually doing a dinner tonight. So if you want to stop by the booth, visit with Joel, visit with one of our subject matter experts, we're happy to do that for you. We've got a Yeti gift for you. Also, if you miss us or we can't make our schedules work out, schedule a meeting with us. We've actually got these Bose sunglasses. They're a $200 value. They've got speakers in them and all this kind of stuff. They're really cool. And if you schedule a meeting with us, as soon as we have that meeting after the symposium, we'll go ahead and ship those over to you. So stop by the booth, find out more. We'll see you soon.
Look forward to seeing you.